Welcome to our channel. If you want to enable proximity alerts on the YouTube app to receive notifications about nearby events or live streams, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Open the YouTube app on your smartphone and make sure you are signed into your YouTube account. Step 2. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen to access your account menu. Step 3. Select Settings from the drop-down menu to access all available YouTube settings. Step 4. Tap on Notifications to manage how YouTube sends you alerts and updates. Step 5. Scroll down to find options related to location-based notifications or proximity alerts for live events and streams. Step 6. Enable any options that mention nearby events, local content, or location-based recommendations. Step 7. You may need to grant YouTube location permissions. Go to your phone's settings, find YouTube under Apps, and enable location access. Step 8. Return to the YouTube app and verify that proximity alerts are now active by checking for notifications about events in your area. Step 9. Customize which types of proximity alerts you want to receive by adjusting individual notification settings in the app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.